Yiwu City Dapai Leather Company Limited, founded in 2011, located in Yiwu, China, the world famous of small commodities. The company is a set of development, production, sales in one of the modern enterprises. The company covers an area of 10 mu. The production workshop has 8,000 square meters. The number of staff has more than 100 people. The machine equipment has the computer Jacquard machine, the computer flower prototype, kinds of sewing machines, ultrasonic machine, cutting machine. Dapai is a production enterprise. The main business belt, Zoma braided rope belt, Jacquard belt, bag belt, miter belt, etc. Sales. We have our own independent proofing room, master operation, the production workshop, more than 100 machine running at the same time. Day production capacity of more than 20,000 belt. Can undertake many kinds of custom belts, have professional designers, excellent quality let we won the customers around the world. And the company will be in accordance with the market popular style to build a new model to provide quarterly customer reference in Australia, East Asia, Southeast Asia, Europe, North and South America, and Africa, and a depth of cooperation. Our professional integrity, quality survival, management efficiency, innovation and development of the business philosophy, and strive to create better quality products, more humane user service. Let every customer satisfaction harvest. Our company is willing to cooperate with you to create a better future.